How will I make money with AI in Kenya starting from zero? Now, most people in Kenya think AI is for engineers and programmers with university degrees, but that is wrong. Right now, there are people in Nairobi, people with no degree, people with no capital, and just a phone with internet, and they are making over 50,000 shillings every single month using AI, and they're just using AI tools that are completely free to access. Now, and most of them are, you'll find that most Kenyans are sleeping on this opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would make money with AI in Kenya if I was starting from zero today. I'll show you 5 methods, the real income numbers, platforms you can sign up on today. Okay, so let us break it down, starting with number 1, which is AI freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. So here is the truth about freelancing in Kenya 2026. Most people making the most money on Upwork and Fiverr are not working harder than everyone else. They are just working faster because they are using the artificial intelligence. So let me explain why. A client on Upwork pays 5,000 shillings for a blog article. Now without AI, this will take you 3 hours to write. But with ChatGPT, the same article will take you 30 minutes. That means in one day you can deliver what used to take you a week to prepare. So that's how freelancers in Kenya are now earning between 15,000 to 60,000 every single month. Not by doing more work, but by just using the AI to multiply the output. Okay. Now, what skills can you offer today? Is it content writing? Is it social media caption? Or is it email newsletter? Is it video script or translation? Or is it virtual assistant? All of this can be done faster and better using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI. So you don't need that experience. You need to learn the tools, practice for 2 weeks, and start applying. And that's it. Number 2 is AI content service for local businesses. Now, AI content for local businesses, this one is the most underrated, and it is the fastest way to make money in Kenya right now. So here's the problem most businesses in Kenya have or they face. They know they need to be on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. But they do not have time to create content every day, and they cannot afford a big marketing agency. Okay? And that is where you come. You walk into a restaurant, or a boutique, or a salon, or even a small business, and then you offer to manage their social media content for about 5,000, 15,000 a month. Okay? It is you who is going to use ChatGPT to write the captions and Canva to design the posts. You schedule everything using the free tools. And one client maybe will take you 3 hours work per week. Okay, so if you get 5, and that is around 5,000 to 75,000 single month, and this from your phone anywhere in the country, any part of Kenya countries. So this is one of And the commission normally arrives in dollars
straight to your Payoneer or Wise account. One, go create a Wise account at wise.com. Now, Wise will give you a real US dollar account number. Okay? After getting this real US dollar account number, your client and these platforms can pay you direct into this account. Okay? Just like a US bank account. Now, step 2, if you are using a Payoneer, create a Payoneer account at payoneer.com. Payoneer, then .com. Payoneer is accepted by almost every platform. Upwork, Fiverr, Remoters, all that. Yeah. So once your money is in Payoneer, you can withdraw it directly to a Kenyan bank and use or even use it on a prepaid cards. Okay. Now, step 3, link your Kenyan bank account to Wise or Payoneer. Now, from your bank, you can now move money straight to your M-Pesa. Okay? So it's the withdrawal starts with the Payoneer or Wise to your local bank to your M-Pesa. Now, you can withdraw it, you can use to pay bills and whatever. Okay, so all you need is a phone and consistency, and that's enough for you to start. Okay, so there you have it, 5 ways I would make money with AI in Kenya, starting from 0 today or this 2026. Okay, so AI freelancing, you can do AI freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. You can do AI content services for local businesses. You can do AI data annotation jobs on Upwork and Remoters. You can be selling AI digital products on Seller and Gumroad. And you can even start the AI affiliate marketing programs and still earn dollar commissions. Okay. And the simple truth is that the people who will win with AI in Kenya are like the ones who know the most. They're the ones who start the fastest. Okay. Wale walianza ukiweka bidii. All you need is pick one method from this list, not all 5, just one, and start this week. And with one of which one will you start today, by the way? Comment below, because I read every single comment. And if this video helped you, please subscribe, because I break down every week we break down practical lessons on business and hustles. Okay, specifically built for Kenyans who want real results, not just theory. Okay. And we've always said that the real game is consistency, not motivation. So, and bye bye. I will see you in the next video.